Founded in 2012, T2C-Energy specializes in converting everyday waste into diesel and jet fuel through our patented TRIFTS process. Over the years, T2C has partnered with multiple organizations to streamline commercialization of the TRIFTS technology on a global scale. The sustainable and self-sufficient TRIFTS process closes the logistical loop from feedstock to endpoint user by first converting biogas into syngas, then producing liquid hydrocarbons. So, what is biogas and where does it come from? Well, let's take a look. Waste is a part of our everyday lives, coming in a variety of different forms like household garbage, solid waste, agricultural waste, or wastewater sewage. These waste streams are actually one of the most sustainable renewable energy feedstocks. After waste is collected, it's transported and accumulates in landfills or anaerobic digesters. Over time, this waste naturally breaks down and is digested by bacteria. The bacteria produce what is known as biogas, consisting of methane and carbon dioxide. This biogas is collected by a series of wells and pipes. At T2C-Energy, we utilize this biogas to make renewable fuels, such as diesel that can be used as a replacement to fossil fuel-derived diesel, and significantly reduce the world's carbon footprint. Unlike other waste-to-energy processes, the TRIFTS process harnesses both the carbon dioxide and methane from biogas to create a 100% waste-derived diesel. The TRIFTS fuel can be utilized as a drop-in fuel with zero engine modifications or blending requirements, while eliminating soot and particles in the exhaust, and has 0 ppm sulfur, therefore no sulfur dioxide emissions. The TRIFTS process synergistically combines two patented catalyst technologies with the capability to produce transportation fuel from biogas more efficiently and cost-effectively than current state-of-art. Our mobile demo plant showcases the quality of fuel produced, conversion efficiencies, and product yields at customer sites. Gas-to-liquids processes are typically plagued by high capital and operational costs, making smaller-scale energy projects uneconomical and unattractive. However, since TRIFTS is the only waste-to-energy process that utilizes both the carbon dioxide and methane of biogas, we are able to double the efficiencies compared to other technologies. If the waste industry as a whole adopts the use of TRIFTS fuel, £15 billion per year of CO2e will be avoided in the US alone. However, the TRIFTS process is applicable on a global level. That ushers in an era of environmental stewardship that will help ensure our climate-impacted ecosystems will be here for the next generations.